And last but not the least, Aaron Sulit Wong with high honors. Aaron will also receive Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in Christian Living Education, Best in Music, Arts and Health, and Best in Physical Education. Congratulations to all the awardees. Aaron S. Wong, Grade 5 with high honors, shall now...
To the members of the administration, Ms. Maria Teresa N. Ponsalan, Basic Education Department Principal. Dr. Jonalan V. D. Barawit, Assistant Principal of the Laboratory Elementary School and Junior High School. Subject Area Coordinators, members of the faculty, parents, guests, fellow students. A pleasant morning to all. I am Aaron Sulit Wong from the Grade 5 St. Ambrose. I would like to take this opportunity to thank several of you who persevered in bringing the best out of us. First, to our loving God Almighty for His faithfulness, grace, and provision. All glory goes back to Him. Second, to our dear parents who love and support us unconditionally, who showed and guided us to the things that matter, and who also provided us with values that we can use in our whole life. Third, to our supportive family members, thank you for pushing us to our limits, for helping instill discipline in us even at times when all we want to do is play. Fourth, to our diligent teachers, who are our second parents. We students may not remember all of our lessons in the coming years, but surely we won't forget the passion and dedication you exerted in teaching and molding us. We deeply appreciate your very long patience. You will always be the role model we'll look up to. Fifth, to our enthusiastic classmates and friends. It sure was fun spending very memorable childhood in school together. The bond, connection, and experiences we made together will be kept in our core memories forever. And finally, to our respected school, Holy Angel University. It's been truly an honor to be called Angelites, and we thank HAU, our second home, for turning us, innocent children, into competent, conscientious, and compassionate individuals. From the moment we stepped into our beloved school, our enthusiasm for learning and compassion to others have become stronger because of Holy Angel University, and especially because of the inspiration, encouragement, and motivation that our wonderful LES teachers gave us. And so, at this point, on behalf of my fellow honored pupils, I dedicate this speech of gratitude. Without any of you shaping us into who we are, we wouldn't be here. Maraming salamat po. Indeed, we are so much blessed. And before I end up, I would like to share a Bible verse to everyone to help us stay spiritually inspired, guided, and motivated. Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 to 7 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil." Again, thank you everyone. Enjoy the hot summer days and see you next school year. All together, let's say our university motto. Laus Deo Semper. Praise be to God always.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Congratulations to all of you, honor pupils.